little friends. Today we are going to learn the name of 50 different colors. Are you ready? Let's go. First, let's start with some basic colors. Red. This is red. Blue. This is blue. Yellow. This is yellow. Green. This is green. Orange. This is orange. Purple. This is purple. Pink. This is pink. Black. This is black. White. This is white. Brown. This is brown. Light blue. This is light blue. Dark blue. This is dark blue. Light green. This is light green. Dark green. This is dark green. Light pink. This is light pink. Dark pink. This is dark pink. Light purple. This is light purple. Dark purple. This is dark purple. Light brown. This is light brown. Dark brown. This is dark brown. Magenta. This is magenta. Cyan. This is cyan. Turquoise. This is turquoise. Amber. This is amber. Lavender. This is lavender. Coral. This is coral. Mint. This is mint. Peach. This is peach. Ivory. This is ivory. Teal. This is teal.